Jerry.
Hey, Jerry. Hey. How you doing?
I'm not Jerry. I'm not Jerry.
I'm Maggie.
See that?
Maggie. Well, sorry, Jerry. I didn't know that's how you felt about your name being said. I know you're Jerry because I can feel it in my soul. Well, I don't really have a soul. I'm like, no, I am a soul.
What? You're a ghost?
No, I'm not a ghost. I'm a
monster!
No, I'm not a monster. You're
a swamp monster!
No, I'm just a
Bigfoot! No. You're a Bigfoot?
No, I'm just an empty body that you're playing with to make me look real. So, how you doing?
Jerry's a monster! Wait, no, I'm Jerry. I'm not Jerry!
I'm not Jerry. Oh, Jerry, how do you say such words? How do you say such words?
But I'm not Jerry, I'm Maggie.
What? You're Jerry. It says on your name tag.
What name tag?
The one on your shirt.
My shirt says, it's raining pot. Which one of those words did you get mixed up? But, and there's but, I can't seem to catch one. So does that make sense?
Well, Jerry, you're making me say all these. So, am I Jerry? Am I Jerry? Or are you? You're Jerry, I think. Yeah, I named you Jerry. Yeah, I think I'm Jerry now. Okay.